I bought the most satisfying beauty products and we're gonna see if the hype is real. I found on TikTok this flower soap dispenser that looks super adorable. It has over 7 million views and I couldn't resist. I wanted to create fluffy flowers as well. I haven't found any directions yet. This is so much fun and it can make your day. And this one is the soap dispenser. Let's see how it actually looks. I can never open without scissors. Ooh, it's so cute! And this is the flower, which is actually very tough to press. Let's create some flowers. On TikTok, they are using only liquid soap. I think I have applied too much. I really want to see if we can create the flower without any water. Moment of truth. Nothing happened. Again, we have some foam, but this is not the desired result. I'm gonna bring some water. Shake it! 1, 2, 3, go! Why? Oh my god! We have foam, but it looks terrible. I have removed some of the soap and I added some more water and it is a soapy mess. We have some petals of the flower. It is a sad flower. So this was $2.99. Definitely not worth the money. With over 3 million views, the next product is viral for years and I have never tried it. It is a cushion foundation, a must-have if you like K-beauty products, and it gives the most natural, glowy finish to your skin. The cushion looks super squishy and very fun to use. This one came with so much bubble wrap. The box is super cute and this is by the brand Misha. The Magic Cushion Cover Lasting number 23. Let's see if we have a mirror. Ooh, we have! And a little sponge that you can use to apply it. It is time to see the cushion. Dun dun dun! It's here! And the question is it squishy? So satisfying! And is this really my color? Ooh, it's darker! I was expecting a more lightweight product, but it has more coverage. That's not bad.
Not bad at all.
And I'm gonna use the sponge that comes with. The downside of this product is you can find it in just 2 colors. It is super spreadable. It has covered everything and I haven't used so much product. And it is actually very close to my own skin tone. It is a little bit blurring on my pores. I'm so happy. And it retails for $7.57. I'm gonna give this 5 stars as well. Moving on to a product that broke the internet with over 23 million views. It looks extremely scary to me but oddly satisfying at the same time. And I was able to get all of the shades. I want to swatch all of them. Some people are using it on the lips, on the cheeks, and some also on the eyes. It has a very satisfying jelly consistency, as I can see. And then you remove it and you get that beautiful color on the lips. And some of them also are setting it with powder. Oh boy, I don't know how to use this. I bought mine from Amazon. We have a lot of Dove applicators. Why do we need these? I really want to swatch them and see if the stain is the same color. I have a feeling that all of them are gonna be the same. So these are by the brand Romantic Bear. This set was super affordable. I have paid $5.71. I'm gonna start with the shade Sweet Orange. Oh, it's a very sticky consistency. How much should I use? It has an artificial sweet chemical scent. After that, I'm taking the shade Watermelon. Oh, this one is more corally. Let's go to the shade Lovely Peach. Not peachy at all. Then we have here the shade Rose Pink. Oh, and it smells like roses. It smells nice. It gives a tingling effect. Is that good? Then I'm taking the shade Sexy Red. Ooh, it's pretty dark. What is this scent? Chemical bubble gums. It is cherries. After that, I'm taking the Cherry Red shade. The texture is so weird. It's been more than 5 minutes and let's try to peel them off. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Oh, it's so weird. Ta-da! It feels like a gel. I felt like exfoliating my skin. Ow, ow, ow. That was painful. Okay, the next one is gonna be super satisfying. Let's go for it. Oh no, it's not fully set. And we can see the colors are not so much different.
My Q-tips!
And let's go to the cherry red now that is not set. Oh boy! So my prediction was right. Most of them are pinkish. The whole experience is super fun. I have here the shade Cherry Red and this is what I'm gonna be using. I'm terrified. Okay, it's so
weird.
I don't really know how to use this product. My lips are stuck together. Oh no, I have it all over my teeth. I'm eating lip stain. I'm gonna let it completely set on my face. Here we go. It didn't set. It's been 5 more minutes and let's try and remove this again. Why does it look like this?
So goopy.
This is actually dissolving with water, so it's not as scary as I thought it was gonna be. I'm really jealous of the people that can use this lip stain so effortlessly. It leaves a beautiful light pink color. You can have this with so many other lip stains. For the satisfying part, I'm gonna give it 5 stars. For the usability, I'm gonna give it 1 star. I mean, you saw what I have done. There is nothing more pleasant than watching people pressing squishy blushes. Am I right? They are like soft cake for your cheeks. With over 15 million views, I also needed to try a blush like this one. It looks so satisfying and fun. Someone is also cutting it with a plastic spoon and really going in there. I don't want to do that to my blush. So I wanted to get this exact one, but I couldn't get it, and I found another one, super cute but also cheaper. The blush came in this huge box. Ooh, it's so cute! We have a little plastic. Oh, it's not as curved as I was expecting. It's not so squishy. Well, I was expecting something softer. Ooh, the color is so pretty and so intense. Maybe I have applied too much. Pressing and pressing. I think the reason that I'm not super satisfied with this product is because you can see it is almost flat. I was expecting a curve. I don't think the blush can work with a brush. Boink, boink. Ooh, that's a lot of color. Sponge to the rescue. It doesn't blend so easily. It looks really patchy with the sponge. Okay, it's not so easy to blend, but it has great color payoff. The golden sheen that we had in the swatches is not visible on my face at all. This was $4.99. I'm gonna give it 3 stars. It's not terrible. Jelly highlighters are popular for a while now, and I was able to find one with unicorn vibes. It has that beautiful jelly consistency and also a mesmerizing color. It is like slime. I like that whatever you do to this product, it gets back together. Let's see the product. Ooh, it's pretty. We have a holographic effect here. This one is by Catrice, the Meta Face Highlighter Face Glaze Pot. And now it's time to dig in. It is a little bit less slimy. The color is so pretty and you can blend it out so it can be more wearable. It feels more like a liquid product rather than a jelly highlighter. It's not as satisfying as I was expecting. Don't think I can use a brush. Let's get highlighted. The easiest way to apply this is with your fingertips. It's super blinding. Oh no, it is lifting off the foundation underneath. That's terrible. And it makes my whole foundation here patchy.
Oh boy.
Not satisfying, not bouncy, and also not usable. Why? The price of it is $8. Definitely not worth the money. The next product is like candy clouds floating in the sky and they are waiting for me to squish them. It looks so pretty in the tube. I can't even imagine how they have made this product. Then it gives this beautiful glossy effect. It looks so nice. It's even prettier in person. It looks like candies. Moment of truth. Ooh, it's so pretty. The colors are so majestic together and the consistency is really nice. It gives this beautiful glossy effect. It smells like watermelons. I love the scent. Here is the primer, mixing the candy clouds. I love the color. It is super spreadable, very lightweight. It feels like a moisturizer. It's not really color correcting and it gives a super glowy finish. The price of this primer is $10. I really like it. I think it is very fun to use. I'm gonna give it 5 stars. This bubble making cup has over 5 million views on TikTok and it also claims that it is cost effective. I couldn't find the exact same one that they're using in the videos, but I got a super cute one from Temu. It looks so much fun. I don't know what is the ratio with water and soap, so we're gonna try and see how it works. It's here. I decided to get it in pink and purple. And also, it's so cute! It is like, oops, it is like a cat hidden in the honey. It feels very sturdy and I'm ready to save some money. I have here my face cleanser and I'm gonna add a pea-sized amount of product. This is how much I'm using every morning. Now let's go with the water. Oops, I need to hold it. Maybe I have added too much water. Okay, so we have more foam, but again, 100 years later. This is definitely very watery. Hey, where are you going? Round 2. Soap check and just a little bit of water. Yeah, this time almost a fingertip. And let's try again. And we still have some water. The sieve is not reaching the bottom of the cup and that's why that not all of the water is getting foamy. This is just an extra step that you don't actually need. This was $2.67. It's not working. Drop in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video. Mine is the foundation. And you can also watch this video here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!